Mommy and Daddy, can we have a secret room?
That is a great idea!
Let me think. You can use the old storage room, but you must clean and decorate together.
Hooray! Thank you! Wow, this room is very dirty.
Yes, and it is very dark.
Let's clean all the dust. Yes! We can do it together. The room is clean now. Let's decorate it. My princess dolls will live here. My robot toys will stay here. I want dark blue walls. No, I want pink paper. This pink rug is perfect. It does not match my robots. My superhero poster looks cool. It is scaring my dolls. This is my room. I want blue. No, no! It is my room. I want pink.
We cannot have pink and blue together.
That is not fair.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Yes! I will win. We both chose rock. It is a tie again. Paper again. Scissors again. Why can I not win? Ah! We are only fighting. We are not decorating the room. Why are you fighting? She wants pink. He wants blue.
Why not mix both ideas?
Mix them? How?
A robot can protect a princess castle.
Wow! That is amazing! Let's build it together! A superhero princess room! The robot looks cute now. The princess is a superhero! Look at the shining stars! The cushions are so soft. Our room is perfect now. Yes, we did it together.
Wow. This looks magical.
You both did a great job.
You did a great job working together.
You are a wonderful team.
Sharing ideas made it better. I love this mixed room more. Working together is always better. Do not fight. Share your ideas.